How to turn on live photos on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Camera. This is the Camera Settings page. Here, you can adjust various settings like photo resolution, video recording options, and preserve settings to customize your camera experience. Over here, go to Preserve Settings as shown. This feature is particularly useful for quickly resuming your preferred shooting style without needing to reconfigure settings like camera mode, filters, or aspect ratio. Here, scroll down to the end and turn on the Live Photo option. You can turn it back off from here whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily turn on live photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.